My name is Trun Reddy. I'm the founder of Reddy Media, and we help construction companies grow through digital marketing and using the best practices in 2025. If you've ever struggled with getting customers consistently, I understand. As a contractor, there's a lot of competition. There's a lot of Joe Schmoes out there that'll undercut you, and it's really hard to basically consistently get a pipeline full of customers who keep the cash flow healthy and at the same time are serious, they're qualified. So Texas Tradesman is a contractor in College Station, Texas. It's a small market, small population. There is quite a bit of contractors in that area, and so competition is there for a relatively small market. And so if this works in a small market, it'll definitely work in a big market. This is a remodeling company who's selling kitchen, bathroom, new home additions, the ranges of 30 grand plus for a job. They run 30% margins, and so they're gonna make $10,000 in profit on a job, and if not, they're just not gonna take it. If we can spend $1,000 to get a customer and make 10 grand in profit, we're gonna make that trade all day. It's not gonna be valuable if you don't have a way to consistently generate leads, ideally multiple ways to do it consistently, and a very sound sales process and team that's able to execute on those leads. We have 98 leads here. For this next year, when we spend again, you can see that we have lead costs that range in a variety from $38 a lead to $220 a lead. Ideally, you want to test as much as possible because you will save a lot of money and generate way more leads if you run multiple ads trying to sell these services. Be creative. Look around what other companies are doing, talk to your customers, understand their pain points, and then use the pain points to make these ads that are compelling, that are selling your services, and see which one sticks. The ones that stick generate leads that are cheaper cost because less people have to see it for them to take action and reach out to you. The goal is so that you can spend 10 times less to get 10 times more. So here I wanted to show you for the last basically November and December the types of leads we were generating. We asked for the name, email, we can see the source of where they came from, types of jobs that they want. So we have tile job, patio work, flooring job, renovation, garage, renovation on the exterior, add-on project, remodel. We always ask for the best time to reach out because a lot of the times if you don't ask that and you call the leads, they won't answer. They have a much higher likelihood that they actually answer the phone so you can sell them. A lot of contractors let leads fall through the cracks just because they have a bad follow-up process from the start. I want to prevent you from doing that. And you can see the project details just to see kind of the quality of leads because I know Facebook gets a really bad rap. It's a name of the game. You're gonna get bad leads. It's a numbers game. However, in your marketing, in your messaging, the brand you build, the majority of the customers you get are actually serious customers that are willing to spend money. Enclosure patio in the backyard, laminate flooring installation, minor repairs around my home, etc. And we had 2 people who came through the website for commercial, industrial grade flooring in our warehouse, and then one is remove existing carpet, install laminate flooring in 4 bedrooms and 1 office, total square foot about 1240. So I hope that kind of shows the quality of the leads that you can get by doing this. Not only am I showing you the results, I'm going to show you what the ads look like and why we made them the way we did. These are the ones that are currently active. You can see the copy and you can, in theory, copy it. I don't recommend it, but I can't stop you from doing that. However, this is what we've tested. We've tested hundreds of ads. It doesn't need to always be video. Sometimes if you just make the offer straight to the point, you can get a lot of people to reach out. So I highly recommend having a couple graphic designs that you split test. If you're wondering how we're able to track this, we use a CRM. It's a client relationship management tool. I highly recommend any contractor doing it. If you're making over $1 million a year and you don't have a CRM, then you are definitely falling behind. It is very useful and you can do a lot of things that you otherwise would never be able to do without one. We work with 36 construction companies across the United States. I have nothing to sell you. I hope I provided value. We have a ton of free resources, an ROI calculator, an ad spend calculator on our website. Highly recommend checking those out. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. We'll be sure to make a video on it. And I appreciate you guys. Till next time.